Good morning, little learners. Today we are going to learn an amazing alphabet that is A. Look here, this is alphabet A. The sound of alphabet A is A. Sound is A. Now let's read the pictures. A, A, alligator. A, A, alligator. A, A, astronaut. A, A, astronaut. A, A, ant. A, A, ant. A, A, apple. A, A, apple. Now we will learn how to write alphabet A. Let's start. Draw a slanting line. Then again draw a slanting line. Then draw a small slipping line in the middle. Okay. Look here. Draw a slanting line. Again draw a slanting line. Then draw a slipping line in the middle. Again draw a slanting line. Again draw a slanting line. Then draw a slipping line in the middle. Which alphabet is this? This is A. A, apple. Slanting line. Draw again slanting line. Then slipping line in the middle. Draw a slanting line. Again slanting line. Then slipping line in the middle.